Hello everyone, welcome to another origami demo. So in this video, I'm going to demo this really cool origami house designed by Lawrence from Dutchpaperfolder. And it is really nice. It's got a nice color changed roof and color changed walls. And when you turn it over, it is a box. And you can actually put items inside of it. How awesome is that? And it stands really nicely on the table. And yeah, and I folded this model from a 6-inch square of kami from the brand Daiso, and this is the result. And if you make a whole bunch of these, you can make like a village of them, and that's actually something I'll try in the future. And whenever I do that, I can probably do a little video of it. And to learn how to fold it, click right here for this tutorial, and it's also in the description. And make sure you subscribe to him too, his work is awesome. And yeah, and that's pretty much it for this video. And I also really enjoyed the folding method of this model. It was very nice. And yeah, alright, well I hope you guys enjoyed this origami demo. And if you did, give it a like. And also, I appreciate any comments down below of what you think about it. Alright, well make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, bye bye.